Alpha.
We are only interested in the places in your dreams or movies like fantasy fairy tales. Do you have to go away from where you're sitting? It does happen in front of you, often up to heaven. But wow, you're in Bali. You're in Lebanon, Bejo. OMG, you're in Paris. You're in Everest. Yes, there you are. The distance looks stunning and the clothes look ordinary, just because that place is not yet to object to social media's content. Maybe this place is not popular as them, but this is our backyard.